You pull your Honda into the dealership for a routine oil change, expecting to spend around $90. But an hour later, your service advisor walks over with a clipboard and says your vehicle needs a fuel system cleaning, an engine flush, a cabin sanitization service, and a transmission flush, bringing your total bill to over $1,200. Sound familiar, right? But here is the reality. Dealership service departments often generate more profit from maintenance and repairs than from selling new cars. That's not because every recommendation is unnecessary, but because many drivers simply don't know what their Honda actually needs. So in this video, we are exposing 11 Honda dealer maintenance items you may regret paying for. And here is the shocking part. 5 of these services don't even exist in Honda's official maintenance schedule. Let's dive in. Number 11. System Cleaning Service. Walk into almost any Honda dealership with more than 30,000 miles on your odometer, and chances are you will hear the words fuel system cleaning. Fuel system cleaning is one of the most common dealership upsells, typically costing anywhere from $150 to $400. But this service comes in the category that doesn't even exist. Service advisors often claim your fuel injectors are dirty and that a cleaning service will restore lost fuel economy and improve engine performance. While that sounds convincing, but Honda does not include routine fuel system cleaning as a regular maintenance item in its maintenance minder system. Here is what many owners don't realize. Most modern gasoline sold in North America already contains detergent additives designed to keep fuel injectors clean. If you are using top-tier fuel, you are already getting injector cleaning chemicals every time you fill up. Unless your Honda is experiencing symptoms such as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, hard starting, or poor fuel economy, there is often little reason to pay for this service. Before approving this service, ask your advisor to show you where Honda recommends it in the owner's manual. Number 10. Engine Flush Service. Engine flushes are frequently marketed as an essential way to remove sludge and extend engine life. Dealers often recommend them at 30,000, 60,000, or 90,000 miles, with prices ranging from $150 to over $300. The problem? Honda doesn't recommend routine engine flushes for normally maintained vehicles. Modern synthetic oils contain sophisticated detergent packages specifically engineered to prevent sludge formation. According to lubricant manufacturers, today's oils can withstand significantly higher temperatures and longer service intervals than conventional oils from just 2 decades ago. If you have been changing your oil according to Honda's maintenance minder system, then your engine should already be staying clean internally. In some cases, chemical flushes can actually create problems by loosening large deposits that may clog narrow oil passages. Engine flushes may only make sense when an engine has suffered severe neglect and visible sludge buildup has been confirmed. For the vast majority of Honda owners, using the correct oil specification and changing it on time is the safest and most effective cleaning method. Number 9. Throttle Body Cleaning. Every 15,000 miles. Some dealerships recommend throttle body cleaning as frequently as every 15,000 miles and charge up to $250 each time. It is true that throttle bodies can accumulate carbon deposits over time. They typically don't require frequent cleaning on modern Hondas. A dirty throttle body usually causes noticeable symptoms such as rough idling, unstable engine speed, hesitation, stalling, or delayed throttle response. If your vehicle starts easily, idles smoothly, and accelerates normally, then cleaning the throttle body may provide no measurable benefit. Many vehicles can travel 60,000 to 100,000 miles before needing this service. Recommending routine cleanings without symptoms is similar to replacing your brake pads before they have worn out. Always ask the dealership to show you photographs or evidence of excessive buildup before approving the service. No symptoms and no proof usually means no cleaning is necessary. Number 8. Cabin Air Sanitization Service. This is one of the fastest growing dealership upsells in recent years. Service advisors may warn you about mold, bacteria, and unpleasant odors hiding in your HVAC system, and offer a sanitization treatment costing $100 to $250. It is true that microbial growth can occur inside air conditioning systems, but routine sanitization is not part of Honda's standard maintenance schedule. In many cases, the treatment simply involves spraying a disinfectant into the air intake or evaporator housing. However, replacing the cabin air filter at recommended intervals already removes dust, pollen, and airborne contaminants. And most cabin air filters cost between $15 and $30, yet some dealers package them into sanitization services costing 10 times more. Unless you are noticing persistent musty odors, reduced airflow, allergy symptoms, or visible mold contamination, this service may provide little measurable value. Don't confuse premium marketing language with essential maintenance. Number 7. Power steering fluid flush on electric steering models. This one belongs in the category of maintenance services that don't even exist. Many modern Honda vehicles use electric power steering systems instead of traditional hydraulic systems. Electric power steering improves fuel economy, reduces maintenance costs, and eliminates the need for hydraulic fluid entirely. Yet some owners report being offered power steering fluid flushes for vehicles that don't even have power steering fluid. If your Honda has electric power steering, there is no reservoir, no pump, no hoses, and absolutely no fluid to replace. Paying for this service means paying for maintenance on a system that doesn't exist. This is why reading your owner's manual is so important. A simple glance under the hood can confirm whether your vehicle has a power steering fluid reservoir. If it doesn't, any recommendation for a power steering flush should immediately raise concerns. This single mistake could cost you hundreds of dollars over the life of your vehicle. Number 6. Transmission flush. Instead of drain and fill, transmission repairs can easily exceed $4,000, which makes many owners eager to approve any recommended maintenance. Unfortunately, some dealerships exploit this fear by promoting high-pressure transmission flush services costing between $300 and $500. However, Honda transmissions have unique maintenance requirements, and in many cases, Honda recommends a simple drain and fill procedure using genuine Honda transmission fluid. A drain and fill replaces a portion of the old fluid without exposing sensitive components to high pressure. Some transmission specialists warn that aggressive flushing can dislodge debris and force contaminants into delicate passages and valves. However, flush machines can be useful in certain situations, but they may not align with Honda's official maintenance recommendations for your specific model. Therefore, always ask the service advisor whether the proposed service follows Honda's exact procedure. If Honda specifies a drain and fill, that's what you should request. Following the manufacturer's recommendation is almost always safer than following a sales pitch. Number 5. Lifetime fluid claims. The phrase lifetime fluid sounds reassuring, but it is also one of the most misunderstood terms in the automotive industry. No automotive fluid lasts forever. Heat cycles, oxidation, moisture, and microscopic metal particles gradually degrade every fluid inside your vehicle. Many manufacturers define lifetime as the expected duration of the warranty period, rather than the actual life of the vehicle. Independent laboratory testing consistently shows that fluid performance deteriorates over time, especially in severe driving conditions such as heavy traffic, towing, extreme temperatures, or mountainous terrain. Ignoring fluid maintenance can dramatically shorten the lifespan of expensive components like transmissions and differentials. Replacing a transmission can cost several $1,000s, while periodic fluid changes often cost less than $200. Instead of relying on marketing language, follow your Honda's maintenance minder system and owner's manual recommendations. Maintenance schedules are based on engineering data, not advertising slogans. Number 4. Nitrogen tire fill upsell. This is another service that is most commonly offered, but it doesn't exist. The nitrogen tire fill upgrade is an exercise in retail psychological marketing, where dealerships charge $50 to $99 to evacuate the ambient atmosphere from your tires and replace it with pure compressed nitrogen gas, signified by a set of distinct green valve stem caps. What the service advisor conveniently leaves out of the pitch is a fundamental fact of planetary physics. The normal, free atmospheric air we breathe every day is already composed of exactly 78% nitrogen and roughly 21% oxygen. spending nearly $100 at a car dealership just to alter that final 22% slice of gas provides absolutely zero perceivable performance, safety, or fuel economy advantages for a standard consumer vehicle like a Honda CR-V or Civic. Unless you are racing in Formula One or landing a commercial airliner, regular old free gas station air is completely fine. Number 3. Engine decarbonization treatment. Engine decarbonization treatments have become increasingly popular as dealerships look for new ways to generate service revenue. These treatments, which usually cost between $150 and $400, are marketed as a way to remove carbon deposits from intake valves, combustion chambers, and fuel injectors. Dealers often claim they improve fuel economy, restore lost horsepower, and prevent expensive repairs. While carbon buildup is a real issue, but not every Honda needs routine decarbonization. Honda does not list periodic engine decarbonization as a standard maintenance item in the maintenance minder system. Most drivers will never notice any problems if they use quality fuel, follow the recommended oil change intervals, and regularly drive their vehicles at highway speeds. True carbon buildup problems usually cause noticeable symptoms, such as rough idle, hesitation, misfires, reduced fuel economy, or a check engine light. Before agreeing to an expensive decarbonization treatment, ask the dealership for evidence, such as borescope images, diagnostic trouble codes, or performance test results proving that carbon buildup is actually affecting your engine. Number 2. The rigid 3,000-mile or 3-month oil change sticker. Here is another dealership upsell that doesn't exist. For decades, the automotive quick lube industry trained drivers to believe that engine motor oil must be replaced strictly every 3,000 miles, or 3 months, to prevent catastrophic engine failure. Many Honda dealerships actively perpetuate this outdated myth by sticking a small, printed plastic reminder on your windshield that overrides your vehicle's integrated onboard engineering. But modern Honda vehicles use a factory-filled synthetic oil formulation that easily maintains its molecular structure, viscosity ratings, and anti-wear protection parameters across an operational range of 7,500 to 10,000 miles under typical driving conditions. Your Honda's integrated maintenance minder computer actively monitors real-world operating variables, including engine revolutions, ambient temperature, and highway cruising hours to calculate exact remaining oil life percentage in real time. By rushing to the dealership for an oil service, when your dashboard still reads 50% or 60% oil life remaining, you are effectively doubling your annual maintenance costs while generating unnecessary chemical waste. Number 1. Dealer maintenance packages that aren't in the owner's manual. This is where Honda owners lose the most money. Dealership maintenance packages often bundle together fuel treatments, induction services, engine flushes, battery services, sanitization treatments, and other add-ons into a single package costing anywhere from $500 to more than $1,500. These packages are designed to sound comprehensive and preventive, but many of the included services are not listed anywhere in Honda's official maintenance schedule. Remember, Honda engineers spent years developing your vehicle and creating the maintenance minder system. That system analyzes mileage, engine temperature, operating conditions, trip length, load, and driving habits to determine exactly what maintenance your vehicle needs. If a service is not listed in your owner's manual or triggered by the maintenance minder system, ask for a clear explanation supported by evidence. Request photos, measurements, fluid test results, or diagnostic reports. A trustworthy advisor will gladly show you proof. The easiest way to save hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars over the life of your Honda is simple. Follow Honda's maintenance schedule, not the dealership's sales targets. Here is the bottom line. Maintaining your Honda properly is one of the smartest investments you can make, but over-maintaining it can be just as expensive as neglecting it. Before approving any service, follow 3 simple rules. Check your owner's manual, check your maintenance minder system, and ask for evidence. If a dealer can't show you why a service is necessary, you probably don't need it. What's the most outrageous maintenance recommendation you've ever received from a dealership? Let us know in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.